Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change Google account password on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you you want to be more secure of your Google account, so you have to change your Google account password periodically and continuously. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to change Google account password. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to Google menu over here, and then after that now you can manage your Google account over here, and then after that now you can go to security and go to password menu, and then after that now you can immediately change your Google account password until there's notification password change successfully. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.